Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I have something new to the channel today. Something that I'm going to try out, but I thought we would go ahead and unbox it, and then I'm going to use it for a couple weeks, and then we'll come back on and talk about it. City Beauty reached out to me and they said, we would love for you to try some of our products. And I explained to them my sensitivities and things that I tend to be allergic to. And they said, we think we can make it work. So they had me pick out some products. They chose some products for me. So I have a box gifted to me from City Beauty of new creams and potions to try. So we're going to talk about them today, and then I'm going to try them all, and we'll come back and talk about them again. So of course, after they reached out, I went to their website and read all about them. And what I found out is that they are a clean, research-driven brand. This is what the inside box looks like. I cannot wait to get in here. Wow, I have a lot of paperwork on top of here. Oh my goodness. I'm going to take the paperwork out and show you. They generously sent me so many goodies. One of the things that they are known for is their lip plumper. And it smooths your lines on your lips right away, and then over time it helps improve it. And that seemed to be hands down something that everyone loved. It's like a bestseller. And it is one of the only things on the website that I couldn't use. And I was so sad about it because it has grapefruit oil in it. And so I will just say right now, if you guys think about ordering through any of this, and I will put their link below so you can go over and check it out. They've given me a code Kathrin15 that will get you 15% off your order. I am just unboxing it now. We're going to go through it and check it out. And I will come back and let you guys know how it does in another video. But I would say I don't have the lip plumper to show you, but I have heard nothing but good things about it. Let's gloss up and see what all of this paperwork is. Awesome. It's a card on each of the products that they sent me. That is amazing because I went out and looked up a lot of information, but I love having their better information. So I went through the website, looked at all the ingredients, picked out the items that I knew I could use that had things I thought would go nicely, because you guys know I have super duper sensitive skin, just super sensitive skin. So I wanted to pick everything that I thought would work with my sensitive skin. This is what it looks like, so you'll know what the insignia of the brand is. It's City Beauty. Let me tell you a little bit about City Beauty. It says it is a luxury brand dedicated to formulating skincare and cosmetics that look amazing and get results. Although our products are designed with anti-aging benefits in mind, women of all ages love how they make them feel. Because of our commitment to innovation, our company has seen tremendous growth, and their most popular product, City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, has won the Good Housekeeping Award twice. See, that's what I'm saying. Everybody loves this lip gloss, and it has grapefruit oil in it. It makes me so sad. We've also been featured on the ABC Network and Good Day LA for our buzzworthy lip solutions. We are based in sunny Los Angeles, where we draw inspiration from the glamour of Hollywood and the cosmopolitan influence of one of the most diverse cities in the world. City Beauty isn't your average beauty company. They specialize in functional beauty, meaning all of their products are designed to not only make you look beautiful while you wear them, but provide deeper benefits. And then it tells you about all of the products they use, the hyaluronic acids and the oligopeptide, the resveratrol, the vitamin C, and that's just a few of them. Each product is formulated to a specific concern, whether it's to volumize thinning lips, brighten dark spots, improve the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines. Okay, so I'm just going to dive right in and show you what I chose. This is the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. It is 1.69 ounces, and it has acacia and a peptide blend in it. I read through all of the ingredients before I made my choices, so I know that everything that I picked works for my skin. And they come, oh look, and it was wrapped up. They come with cute little, it's really heavy, nice little spoons to get it out so you don't have to get it dirty. Super weighted and nice. So the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream is a face and neck cream. It has easy lions in it, which they say is based on an ingredient derived from a bark of a rare African tree, and it immediately forms a contouring network on the skin surface to create a smooth, tightened finish within 5 minutes of application. It has a powerful peptide that improves your look with a remodeling, enhancing, firming effect. And it has a cutting-edge compound to create a firmer look for sagging skin that results in a natural facelift effect without surgery. And you use this morning and night. Well, let's just check it out. Oh, it's thick. That is what it looks like. Super duper thick. So you can see on the lid. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to try all of these for at least a week or two on my face, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Oh, it's nice and thick, but it smooths in really easily. Very little scent. The scent is almost like just a posh lotiony scent. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not, you wouldn't say, oh, it's floral, or oh, it's fruity, or anything like that. It just has that scent that lotions have. It smells very nice. I have zero hesitancy about putting that on my face. It is so moisturizing. Let's leave it and see if it sinks in really quickly. Next, we have the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil, and it is 1.28 ounces. It is a sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 39, reef friendly. Defend and correct. Support younger looking skin while helping defend from sun damage. Line blurring polymers and marine extracts. This is what the tube looks like. It's a good size. Like I said, it's 1.38 ounces. It looks, can you guys tell? It looks way bigger than that. And it says that the line blurring polymers are innovative polymers that blur imperfections by giving the skin a mattifying soft focus effect. I could use that. And the deep sea extract is a marine extract that works with the skin's natural barrier to help better protect your skin against UVA sun damage. When we take it off, it's a pump. I did not think it was going to be a pump. I thought it was going to be a tube. That is awesome. That is what it looks like. It has a slight, it looks like it has a real off-white tone to it. Can you tell that? Oh, it feels very nice. Again, very little scent. Maybe if it has a scent, it's a very light spa-like scent. Oh my goodness. It did totally blur the back of my hand. Oh my gosh. There's no way I can possibly get that across to you guys unless you can just tell. That hand looks incredible. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try that on my face. Wow. 2 for 2, and I'm digging the way it feels. By the way, that first moisturizer, completely absorbed. Next, we have the Line Blurring Wrinkle Filler. Yes, please. Mostly with my wrinkles, I don't hate them. For my age, I mean, wrinkles are gonna happen, and it beats the alternative. But these marionette lines, they're gonna be my nemesis. Those are the ones that bother me the most. So that's what I'm hoping I can fill. So we take it out, that is what it looks like. So the directions say you're gonna put it directly on your fine lines and wrinkles. See how she's just applying it directly to her skin and then gently tapping it out? Allow product to dry before applying makeup. This is one of those things that it has a really cool applicator. Let's see, how's it applicate? Oh, you push in. And finally, it just came out a little bit from there. So in theory, I'm gonna do that right on my marionette lines. That's gonna be nice. It's nice and thick. Oh, it is. It's like, you know, the Tatcha primer that's super thick that you get, that's what this kind of feels like, except for in pump form. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to quit making this face. It just blurred the back of this hand. I mean, wow. This one has a little bit more of a smell. I can't place it. Slightly. It's kind of like coffee or chocolate. Either way, it's not offensive at all. And it just, I put it right here and it just blurred, kind of mattified and blurred. I wish there were a way. I hope that when I do this, it's like amazing enough that I can take a picture and show you guys, because we're gonna come back and talk about this. This is one that intrigued me a lot. I've said a couple times, I lost a lot of weight a couple years ago. I've picked up about 20 pounds recently, but I lost a lot of weight. And one of the major hits that my body took, aside from my wobbly arms, is my neck. And this is a dry oil neck and décolletage oil. Dry, ultra firming dry oil, and it's for neck and décolletage. They say it reduces the appearance of wrinkled and crepey skin, which I need big time, and it helps create a lifted look. This is what that looks like. It is lightweight for fast absorption. It's just kind of clear. I'm gonna put a drop. Let's see if it absorbs. Oh wow, oh my goodness, where I put the line filler on my hand, it's like this isn't going there. Kind of like when you wax a car and then it rains and it runs off. It's kind of doing that. Wonder what that means. Virtually no scent, very light. If I had to pick one, I would say slightly floral, but I could never pick a flower. We will see how it absorbs. I have absolutely the highest hopes for this one because I want anything that's gonna make this look better. I mean, this is where we need to focus. Next, eye cream, because you know, when you're in your mid-50s and somebody offers you an eye cream, that it's going to be one of the ones you choose. So that is what the box looks like. Is what that looks like. It has its own little spoon too. That is what the inside looks like. let's get a little bit of this. I'll use my little spoon. Well, a little bit on my spoon. These feel so nice. This is something like, oh, let's use this hand since I know that one's being blocked by that line filler. I feel like that's a good thing because I feel like it's going to keep my moisture in. Oh, that is nice and thick. We'll have to see how it absorbs, but that feels good. That feels like it's going to plump my lines. Virtually no scent. And it has already absorbed from my finger. Oh, dry oil. I don't know if you guys can tell, that dry oil is gone. The skin looks great. I can't tell you how good the skin looks where my line filler was. This is one of those brands that since I don't see it in stores, or I shouldn't say you guys may know all about this. It was new to me and this stuff feels great. Now, of course, with my sensitive skin, we've got to try it all on here. But so far, the backs of my hands feel fantastic. This is definitely blurred. This oil, I mean, it feels so soft and it's completely absorbed. Next, the Invisicrepe Body Balm, because somewhere deep down in my sensitive skinned soul, I said, at least I'll have a body product if the face goes amok. That is what that looks like, because you guys know I'm so sensitive. I'm always so afraid of trying something new if it's going to go bad, because I would hate for you guys to think it was maybe the company's products, because I'm so sensitive. So I wanted to be sure and have something that I could be like, this is going to be awesome. And I figured also the neck décolletage, that's not a sensitive area for me. When I open it up, oh, it's nice and thick. That is what it looks like. I can't smell it. Let's get a little bit and try it. It feels super thick. I'm just gonna try it right on my hand. It feels super thick, but also lightweight in some sort of way. I'm just trying it right on my hand because we've got so much stuff on the backs of my hands. Oh, that smells good. What is that? I know, I've said that like 12 times. They're just all scented, like kind of like a posh lotiony. It's just, for lack of a better way of saying it, it's just a really nice lotiony scent. I don't think I have tried anything that if you're like scent sensitive, I don't think any of these would be a problem, this body lotion included. It has completely absorbed. It's just nice. It wouldn't have an effect if you wanted to wear perfumes. This wouldn't be a problem. And even though it's a body balm, and I've quit reading some of the cards, but this one says that it has niacinamide in it to stimulate and lift and have a tightening effect, targeting wrinkles and crepey texture for smoother looking skin, which I could certainly use. Going back to that weight loss, it left some of my, like my arm parts crepey. It has DL lipids in it to promote stronger skin barrier function, significantly boosting moisture retention for complete lasting hydration, and it has ribose in it to support more youthful collagen levels, plumping your skin from within for a firmer, tighter, younger look anywhere on your body. And last but not least, and I didn't know they were sending me this, is they've sent me their other City Lips, and this is their Plumping Lip Cream. Like I said, I didn't know they were going to send this one. This one is the matte one. The other one that I can't wear is the gloss, but when I looked this one up, I could absolutely wear it, and this is what it looks like. That is so cool. And even this one, which is the City Lips Matte, has hyaluronic acid spheres in it. They are plumping spheres that use the skin's own natural moisture to give wrinkles a plumped up look from inside out. It has oligopeptide technology that fuels skin's collagen synthesis and the skin's dermal matrix for increased youthful appearance. Moisturizing oil blend of ylang-ylang flower oil, jojoba oil, and they form a barrier that effectively locks moisture in and comforts, soothes, and rejuvenates dry, chapped lips. And a multifunctional elastomer system, a unique transformative technology that allows for an emollient, silky smooth glide to dry down to a lightweight, powdery velvet matte finish. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lips I have on and put that on and see what we get. Well, here's what I can say so far. It's very minty. And it feels really, really good. It was really easy to apply. It went on super smooth. It doesn't feel like it's dried down too much yet. I cannot even tell you in one that goes matte how nice that minty feel feels. It feels so good, and I can tell now it's starting to dry down. There's no tightness feel about it. Is the color perfect for me? I don't know. It might have come in a darker color, but they surprised me with this, so I didn't pick one. This is a color that I'm always very self-conscious of because it's such a nude, and I have such thin lips that I always try and make them look bigger with bright colors. Let me know what you guys think about this color on me, because this is one that I generally run from, but I kind of like it today. Maybe it's just because of the way I did my eyes. Maybe it just goes with what I've got going on with my eyes. This feels fantastic. This is probably the best feeling matte lip that I've ever put on. And I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me for free. I promise. It feels good. There's no tightness. I want to keep doing that because I keep waiting for it to dry more and get tighter. Yeah, it's not. I like this a lot. I will be personally checking out if it comes in a darker color because my instinct is to always want a darker color. But when I look at this, it doesn't look bad to me there. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, that is what City Beauty sent me to try and to show you guys. It was so generous. And having put it on and on the backs of my hands and touched it, and now I know the textures, now I know the scents. I have to tell you, I'm feeling like I'm gonna love it. So I'm gonna give this a try. If you have any interest already, I will put their link below with my code Kathrin15. It will get you 15% off your first purchase. So far, I feel confident in. I would highly recommend the lips because they feel good. They go on, they dry down. They're absolutely dry. It's a matte lip. It's gonna dry down. But it's not tight. I don't feel, you know how sometimes, you know what I mean. Sometimes you feel awkward with it, like, this doesn't feel like that, but that was a gorgeous look. It feels really nice, and it's minty. It's staying very, very minty on my lips. I like that a lot. I feel like there's nothing that can go wrong with the body cream. I'm gonna start using it, obviously, but it's got so many good for you things in it. Then we have the multi-action sculpting to try, the skin perfecting daily veil, the line blurring wrinkle filler, which I'm here to tell you, I already feel like it's amazing. I hope that, I hope so hard. The ultra firming dry oil for your neck. Can't wait to give this a try. The eye cream. Love a good eye cream. Let me know below if you've tried this brand, if you liked it, what you liked, in case it's something that I haven't tried, because I already feel like I personally am going to go on and see what other colors this comes in. This feels, for a matte lip, spectacular. I am crushed that I can't wear their lip plumping gloss because the world loves it. All right. Thank you so much for coming by. I will be back after I have tried this for a week or two to let you guys know what I think. Or as I go through videos, if I have some on, like if I see that can you guys believe it? I have a pimple. I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, but I just talked about it. Moving on. I will let you know how it works in all of my marionette lines. And just right here are the only lines that I feel really sad about. I'll use it under my eye, but I don't feel like those are too bad for my age yet. These break my heart. Okay. Thanks again for coming by, guys. I will talk to you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Thank you so much to City Beauty for sending this to let us give it a try. And I will see you all again really soon. I hope I see you again soon. Bye, guys.